Jonas squeezes him to the inside, and then he runs wide, but he manages just to hold on to grab the foxhole shot. Brian Bogus, who doubles his way in and does find his way past the Spaniard. Paul Jonas second in the race and second overall. Adamo shows him a rear wheel, but undeterred, De Wolf goes through and into second place. Van der Moosdijk second, Geert's third, Kai De Wolf at the inside in fourth place. Van der Moosdijk has found his way past Benetton towards the end of this opening lap. Van der Moosdijk, De Wolf, the renowned sand flies, if you like, this part of the world. De Wolf goes around the outside of Van der Moosdijk and into second. Ah, neatly done there, Kai De Wolf. These two are absolutely on a mission here. 14 seconds clear of everybody else at the moment, these two. Kai De Wolf, Nastan Husqvarna Factory Racing, takes the win here in race one. Bogus passes number 10 for Landren, then Bogus wins the Grand Prix, and he does, finds his way down the inside, barges past for Landren into third. Brian Bogus will cross the line in third. Standing construct Husqvarna, congratulations, everybody absolutely exhausted.
Yeah, there is really a number one on it.